When installing or refinishing hardwood floors, the right vent can elevate not just your airflow, but also your home's aesthetics. Let's explore the vent options that blend form and function. Our most popular option today is flush-mounted wood vents. This type of vent sits flush with the hardwood floor surface, providing a seamless look. They're available in various wood species and finishes, allowing us to match your floor perfectly. This type of vent can be installed on refinishing projects as well. The next most popular option is surface-mounted vents. Surface-mounted vents are installed on top of the hardwood floor. They typically come in various designs and materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. And the best part about this style of vent? You can install these yourself. No pros needed as long as your vent opening is ready to go. Now, another popular wood option is drop-in vents. Drop-in vents are designed to fit into your existing register opening in your hardwood floor. They are easy to install and remove, making them a very convenient choice. Similar to flush-mounted vents, this style of vent can be sanded and finished to match your floor. And lastly, we have custom options from Fitz. These vents are extremely popular on factory finished floors since they're made from the same flooring material. The modern style of these vents provides an upscale look. Now, choosing the right vent is about more than just looks. It's about functionality, maintenance, and design harmony. Each option has its airflow dynamics, ensuring your space stays well ventilated without compromising on style. Take the time to select a vent that reflects your design taste and meets your everyday needs. Now, are you ready to make a statement from the ground up? Reach out to Kimminau Floors for personalized advice on your floor vents.